So after they perform the deed, they are still frightened whether Allah Azza wa Jalla is going to accept it from them or not. They're still scared. Look, a person, mahma fa'al, whatever they do, no one should be amazed with their actions, regardless of how much we prayed, or how much we fasted, or how much we spent in charity, or how much we done, and how much we sacrificed. No servant of Allah Azza wa Jalla should be amazed by their actions, because Allah tells us about the pious. وَالَّذِينَ يُؤْتُونَ مَا آتَوْا وَقُلُوبُهُمْ وَجِلًا. Those who give what they give, they do what they do from righteous deeds, and their hearts are still scared whether Allah has accepted that or not. Because we don't know, because Allah Azza wa Jalla only accepts from the pious. None of us can definitely say, Allah definitely accepted that action of mine. But we hope for Allah to accept our good deeds.